Tape script 3.8.1.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Coach.
As you all know, we have a match on Sunday against Sisabat High School. Now you all know that it is important to eat properly before the game. If you eat more fruit and vegetables, your body will feel healthier.
But I like to eat a few hamburgers.
If you eat too much fast food, you will feel terrible. You won't feel healthy if you eat too much fast food. You all know that it's very important to stretch your muscles before and after the game. If you stretch your muscles before the game, you will get fewer injuries. If you are injured, you won't be able to play.
Can we eat a big breakfast?
No, don't eat too much before the game. You will feel sick if you eat too much. Eat plenty of protein the night before the game. If you eat plenty of protein, you will have more energy. It's also important to get plenty of sleep. If you don't go to bed early, you will feel tired. If you feel tired, you won't play well. If you don't play well, we won't win the game.
How often are we going to practice this week?
We will practice playing football every day. You won't win the football match if you don't practice every day. The game will finish at 11:45 a.m. Afterwards, we will all come back to school on the bus. We have a new football kit to wear on Sunday. If you haven't had your new football kit yet, let me know and I will give it to you. You won't be able to play if you haven't got your kit. Okay, that's it for now. Good luck on Sunday.
Thanks, Coach.
Tape script 3.8.2.
I don't believe this. We've lost 5-1. If we keep playing football like this, we will lose all of our matches. I told you not to eat too much before the game. If you eat a lot of food, you will feel sick.
You won't feel sick if you don't eat too much.
Yes, thank you, Bisette. I also told you to drink plenty of water. If you run around a lot on a hot day, you will lose a lot of water and you will dehydrate.
You won't dehydrate if you drink plenty of water.
Okay, thanks, Bisette. Some of you are very unfit. You should do more exercise and eat a balanced diet. If you do more exercise, your body will get stronger.
Your body will get stronger if you exercise.
Yes, thank you, Bisette. I think everyone understands. If you eat a balanced diet, you will have more energy. You won't have enough energy if you don't eat a balanced diet. Bisette, you look terrible. You need to change your diet. You eat too much fast food and you don't eat enough vitamins. If you eat more fruits and vegetables, you will get all the vitamins you need. If you eat too much fast food, you will get fat. If you get fat, you won't be able to run. Do you understand?
Yes, Coach.
You won't be able to play football if you can't run. And stop drinking soda. If you keep drinking soda, you will put on weight. You should include more fiber in your diet. Fiber will help you digest your food. If you eat carrots and potatoes, you will get enough fiber. You won't win any football matches if you don't eat good food. So if you want to play next week, you will need to eat properly and practice every day.
We will win if we practice every day. Now go home and get some rest. See you all at school on Monday.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Bisette.
Tape script 3.8.3.
1. If the players don't drink enough water, they will dehydrate. 2. If Bisette drinks too much soda, he will get fat. 3. If the players eat potatoes and carrots, they will have more fiber in their diet. 4. If the players eat too much, they will feel sick. 5. If the players practice every day, they will win. 6. If the players exercise, they will get stronger.
Tape script 3.8.4.
You don't look too good, Bisette. I heard your team lost the football match 5-1.
I know, it was a bad game. Too many of the players aren't fit enough. That's why they beat us easily. And I didn't go to bed until midnight the night before the game.
Wow, that doesn't sound good. 12 hours sleep is too much, but 5 or 6 hours sleep isn't enough. If you keep going to bed late, you will feel tired all the time. What were you doing on the night before the game?
I was chatting with the other players on Facebook for 5 hours.
Oh, Bisat, 5 hours is too many. 1 hour a night is enough. You won't have enough time to do your homework if you spend too much time on Facebook. Did you do your homework?
No, I didn't. I didn't have enough time.
You will get into trouble if you don't do your homework. If you get into trouble at school, your father will get angry. Have you eaten breakfast today?
No, I haven't. I was late for school. I had too many jobs to do, so I didn't have enough time for breakfast.
If you don't eat your breakfast, you will feel tired all day. If you feel tired, you won't be able to focus on what the teacher says. You watch too much television and you don't spend enough time studying. It's also important to eat healthily. If you eat enough good food, you will feel healthier. You should listen to your football coach. He recommended some good ways to improve your lifestyle. If you listen to your coach, you will soon feel better. What did he say to you?
He said I eat too many hamburgers, and that's why I don't have enough energy. I don't eat enough fruit and vegetables. He said I drink too many sodas and I don't drink enough water. That's why I dehydrate so fast during the game. Fast food isn't very nutritious. He also said if I don't do more exercise, I won't be fit enough to play football. Just walking to school is not enough exercise. I need to do more exercise.
Facebook is okay if you look at it for a short time. If you look at Facebook too much, you won't have enough time to do anything else. We have great food in Cambodia, fresh vegetables, full of nutritious vitamins. It's not enough just to eat one banana. You need to change your diet and your lifestyle.